Did you know that simply fidgeting can burn up to 350 extra calories a day? This quirky fact reveals that small movements, like tapping your foot or twirling a pen, can significantly boost your metabolism. Scientists have found that these tiny actions, often dismissed as mere distractions, actually help in maintaining a healthy weight. Imagine burning calories while sitting at your desk. This surprising truth highlights the power of personal movement habits, proving that even the smallest actions can have a big impact. So, next time you catch yourself fidgeting, remember, it's not just a habit, it's a health boost.